Perfect. So guys, I welcome each one of you in our digital marketing orientation session. As you can see in front of you, this orientation session is all about digital marketing. So as you are definitely looking out to explore this industry, to learn more about digital marketing, to grow in digital marketing industry. So to help you out, we have crafted this session. And in this session, I'll be helping you out some great insights about this industry, which definitely can help you to produce better results. So what all things we are going to cover in this session, let's quickly discuss those things. So I'll be creating an agenda of this session right now with you. So as you can see in front of my screen or in front of your screen, that there will be topic we are going to cover are first introduction. In introduction, I'll be giving you some insights about IAM skills and also helping you to understand about me. Then we will be also talking about like your objectives. So you guys can also share about like your views or like your requirement in this industry. Then we will be looking forward and helping you guys to understand what, why, and how of digital marketing. So this second or third step is very important for each one of you. Why? Because this is something where you will understand the maximum about digital marketing. You will get the maximum, you can say, outcome of this session. Why? Because until unless you're not aware how this industry is completely working, what is the requirement of this industry, why people are caring about this industry, if you're not aware about this, then definitely you cannot cater to that audience. So if you become a digital marketer, you will be catering all those people. So you need to understand how this industry works. And third step, we'll be talking about how you can master this industry. So before entering the industry, if you're already aware which will be the right path or what will be the right structure to learn this, then it will get more easier for you to acquire that skills at expertise level, right? See, it is just like if you already know where to go, if you already know which path to follow, then it will be easier for you to follow that and reach to your like destination. So it is similar like that. If you are aware what are the things leading you toward a like effective digital marketing implementation, then definitely you can work out on those things and become a better digital marketer, effective digital marketer. Fourth and fifth steps are something which are again relevant to you guys. How to get jobs in this industry, how freelancing does work in this industry. And then at fifth step, it is something which is right now most in demand. Plus, people are really talking about this artificial intelligence. So how artificial intelligence is impacting digital marketing industry, how you can get advantage or take advantage of AI in digital marketing, discussing that. And at the last step, I'll be giving you a surprise, which definitely something very useful for each one of you and you able to take maximum value out of it, right? So stay in the session till last to get the surprise also. Plus all the things which I'm going to share definitely give you some great value in the industry while you working as a digital marketer. So let's talk about me. My name is Deepanshu Jaiswal. I am heading the marketing at IAM Skills. I have about 8+ years of experience in digital marketing, helping various companies setting up their digital marketing like agendas. Plus, I'll be also able to like help you guys for website building related techniques also, as I am like doing or like currently I have about 15 years of experience in web development. So I have started it in 2008. I started digital marketing in 2015. So both the best, like you can say, combination to work in this particular industry. Definitely, I'll be mentoring you for some of the session in your training as well. We have multiple trainers. So one of them is me and helping you for few sessions throughout your journey. If I talk about IAM Skills is started in 2015. We have started our digital marketing course in the same year. And after just launching that particular program, we have grown very quickly. 1,000 professional training we have just completed in 1 year. Similarly, by the year 2018, just initially third year, we have reached to 33 countries. Right now, we are available in 55+ countries, right? So we ranked number one by India TV for helping our student to get maximum placement. So we have a highest placement record last year, and we ranked number one by India TV for helping out our student to get placed. And in 2023, where all the institutes are just talking about what is AI, how it is working, how it is impacting, positive, negative impact of those. In the meanwhile, we have created a structure which can help our student best to get the AI related learning also. So throughout your training, you will be also getting a part of like AI related course where you will be learning the AI related modules and get implement those things in your digital marketing course, or in your digital marketing industry. You will be collaborating both the things. You will be using AI technology by like with your digital marketing tools to maximize your result or to make it more helpful for yourself. Mission and history I have just completed, so I'm not taking much time on this. Mission is very simple: to provide affordable education. So all the courses you will see, they are costing you very light amount. Most of the institute charging the similar kind of like they are providing even the less comprehensive course or the same duration of the course, and they are charging you some lakhs of rupees. Right. So it's always better that you will learn which is definitely worthful. So we are providing you affordable education with all the latest industries techniques that needs to be learned in this time of like AI, or in this time of 2023. History, I already shared with you guys that in 2015 we have started this program. Founder Mr. Vaibhav Kakkar, he started this program after applying 10 plus years of successfully digital marketing techniques in the various different blogs and reaching out to millions of people. So with the help of digital marketing, with the right implementation of digital marketing, they have grown with millions of like visitors on their page. And the same way they will be teaching to their audience so that they also can grow themselves in terms of web traffic, in terms of digitally. Who all should join this course? If you focus on this particular slide, there you can see the people who are looking to build a career, who will be like looking to for professional growth, people who are digital marketers and they want to upskill themselves, people or housewives who want to restart their career after a certain gap, and then business owner, entrepreneurs, and you will be able to see seeking for freelancing and passive income. So I just want to get a quick introduction from each one of you now, that what is your objective out of these? So who are you? Like you are someone who is looking to build a career, or you are someone who want to start a freelancing, or you are someone who are already a business person, want to apply digital marketing in your growth, or you are a working professional looking for better growth with digital skills, or you are someone who want to restart the career. So can you guys just write in the chat box quickly that which one are you? Guys, quickly reply so that we can end this session on the time. Priyam is saying he want to start his career, restart the career. Okay. Mohit is a business owner and looking for a passive income. Okay. Seeking for freelancing. Okay. Yogita. Polymonida saying want to start the career. Okay. Okay, fine. So I believe rest of the other people like right not have written anything yet. So I request each one of you to participate throughout the session and share your views or thoughts on each particular question that I'm asking. In this way, you will be able to make this session interactive, right? So until unless you will not reply to my question, I don't think that this session is going to be interactive. So people who are interacting, I really appreciate. People who don't, I consider that they should get the value at least and pay attention towards what I'm telling you about, because it is going to be something which you can use in the industry. Okay, so now I can see that, and each one of you can see that the people, either they are the business owner, or you want to start the career in digital marketing, or you are a freelancer. So you are among these people which I have just shown you in front of you, that who all should join this particular program. And right now each one of you want to become a digital marketer, right? So whether you are running a business, or you are doing a freelancing for a client, or you will be doing a freelance, or sorry, digital marketing related job for any organization. So in each of the way, whether you will do any of the thing, you will be producing the results, right? Whether you work for your business as a digital marketer, or you work for a client, or you work for a company, in all the areas you will be producing good results for all of them, right? If you don't, then definitely you will not be considered as an effective marketer, or maybe you will be someone who will may lose your job, or you may lose your client if you are not giving the result. So ultimate objective for each one of you is to produce real time result in digital marketing industry. So first, let's talk about what result people expect from you. What kind of results you need to produce for people, what they expect from you, right? So can I have a quick answer from each one? What is your understanding is saying that whether you, when you work as a digital marketer, what people will expect from you, right? So if I talk about expected result, so what do you think, guys? People will expect from you being a digital marketer, or if you're running a business, what you expect for your business, that after learning digital marketing, what you expect that you can deliver to your business, right? Same way, when you are working as a freelancer for any person, or they come to you for what kind of requirements. So see why I'm asking this question, guys, because if you're not aware that what people want in the industry, then you cannot deliver, right? If I know that there is a requirement of a like fast bowler in Indian team, then definitely I can make myself as per the requirement and can apply for those jobs. So if I am aware that what people need in the industry, what industry needs from me, then I can deliver better and I can learn all those things which industry wants. So first, let's talk about what industry wants. So in industry, when you're working as a digital marketer, what result people expect? So if I'll share with you that people have shared one thing, like Mohit is saying leads, Samuel is saying leads, Yogita is saying lead generation, grow traffic, brand awareness. Yes. Samuel is saying brand visibility, of course. What about others? What they think, what they need to produce as a digital marketer in industry? Are they going to like give something to industry? Okay, Priyam is saying more sales. Absolutely, people expect sales from you. Can I expect reply from others also, like Ashish, Vidisha, Harun, and Saranya, Subroto? People are there. So if you guys reply, it will be more easier for me to getting your understanding as well, and I can make this session as per the most of the audience, that what they actually not aware of. Okay, so guys, moving forward. So the things you guys are shared, like lead generation or you grow traffic, brand awareness, brand visibility, more sales, right? Absolutely correct things, right? But let me talk about the industry's language, what people say it in those terms, right? What industry demands in terms of job when you're making your resume, when you're learning something. So what you call all those things, and you will be ready with all these things, right? With all these objective you can achieve for people. So the one of the objective that every business is looking forward, or most of the business is looking forward, what you will found is customer acquisition or lead generation as suggested by you guys. So lead generation and customer acquisition is one of the major area in digital marketing which everyone wants to cover. So whether you are into any industry, like in restaurant, in hotel or hospitality, or in pharmaceutical, every industry wants more and more clients, more and more leads for themselves, right? Or it is a education or any industry, right? So lead generation is one of the major tasks or one of the major requirement in the industry. People like want someone who can help them with these objectives. Second most required objective for every organization is brand visibility, right? So brand visibility, or you can say brand awareness. is something which again people is looking forward to achieve once they have a, like, let's suppose you are running a company, you are running a business, you are generating good number of leads, but you are unable to convert those leads. You know why? Because people are not aware about your brand, right? So people also spend on brand awareness or brand visibility. So simultaneously, when they are generating more and more customer, more and more leads for themselves, along with that they also want to build them as a brand, so that people will be more aware about them, or people will be more likely to know or recall their brand name while they will be like approached by the industry. So brand visibility, brand awareness is one of the major job profile for digital marketers. Third step is revenue generation. Right, there are various organizations who mainly focus on the revenue generation. Right, so some of these organizations, they sell over the Amazon, Flipkart, these kind of companies. Right, they don't spend on lead generation or brands. They just spend to generate more and more sales. They spend the amount to generate more and more revenue, whether it is running shopping ads on Google or running the Instagram ads. So I believe each one of you have experienced that there are various advertisement came on your Instagram while you guys are scrolling. So while you guys are scrolling your Instagram, you must see the advertisement like mobile phone covers. You must see have seen the advertisement of t-shirts, right? Mobile phone covers. So all these things are basically something where people are approach you directly to buy those products, right? They give you some great offers that in 1,000 rupees get 5 phone covers, or in 1,000 rupee get 4 t-shirts, or there are some gift or accessory items they will share at a low ticket size. So most of the time, when you get some revenue generation campaigns, which is moreover for the sales or direct sales, the ticket size of the product is low because anyone can afford that, right? Buying a 200 rupee mobile phone cover is can be affordable by anyone. Right, so if you see something very great kind of cover for your phone, you must be someone who will be like going ahead and ordering that because you have liked that. Right. Similar way, the t-shirts, if you're getting some good t-shirts that for yourself or the exactly the way you wear or the similar kind of t-shirts are available at a great price with great offers, you likely to buy, right? So these companies are tend to offer the things with more lucrative offers, bundle like 4 t-shirts in this price or all the combination, get your name printed. So these kind of things more are there where people are looking to generate revenue by selling the product. And the fourth kind of job is definitely available in the industry, but it is invisible kind of job, right? So you may people have experienced this, but you may not have like think thought about it much, right? So if I'll ask you, have you heard about online reputation management? Then it is one of the job role which all the major companies have, and the people who actually like in the industry for a longer term, they spend on this also, right? Their core focus is to like manage their audience or manage what they are thinking about them over the internet. So there is a complete team who will be taking care of this. Might be you guys have experience whenever you order some food from Zomato or Swiggy or any food delivering app. Similar way, or you order like any taxi from any, like you can say Uber, Ola kind of services. So when you do this, what happens sometime if you get some bad experience, you write about it over Twitter, you write about it over like let's say some LinkedIn or you can say Facebook, then these companies reputation cells or ORM cells, they get active immediately. They concern, they like try to, you can say, negotiate your concern, and they help you out with the right solution that can be possible by taking your like or addressing that particular issue immediately over the internet. So this is why it is important, because millions of people are seeing you on the internet, millions of people know that particular brand or company name. So there anything happening to their brand or any negative talks happening about their brand or company can definitely like put people in a splits of mind. So that's why these companies are taking care of all the online reputation management related tasks, so that, see, does this work if the product is bad? See, it doesn't work if the product is bad, right? You cannot cater 100 out of 100 people, right, for their negative comment. But yes, what can be done? if you have a good product. But there can be some bad experience also, right? It is just like, let's say you are buying a flat in some reputed society, everything is good. But let's say one day you got stuck in lift because of electricity issue. So if you had a bad experience of getting stuck in the lift and you are just writing some bad reviews about it, that yes, this society is bad, I stuck in the lift. But there are various people who have never experienced this kind of like you can say situation. But might be you were not that lucky at that time and you like face that particular situation which altered your experience. But let's suppose if no one is there to console for that particular thing, if no one is there to taking care your issue or listen your issue, then I believe you will be even feel more, you can say you will have even more anger for those people who are managing those things or the maintenance team. Right. So rather, if someone is there to ask you, came at your flat and ask you about like how is your health, what particular things happen to you, we will be taking care of this, and we will be giving you the solution for this. So if someone is ready to solve that particular issue, that it doesn't happen in future. So I believe you will be more happy that yes, I had a bad experience, but yes, people are there or stand by with me so that they consider as a quality people. Right. It is just same like that you had some bad experience with some of the thing, it doesn't mean that the everyone is getting the similar experience. So taking care of that particular experience is really important while you are building your brand. So if you're building your brand, if you're not taking care of those things, then maybe you are doing very good things, but all those one or two people who are getting negative things, they will be like taking you down in the industry. So why it is happening? Because all the, let's say you cater to 100 people, 98 people had a great experience. Trust me, they never write about you. They never write that we had a great experience. But only the two people who have a bad experience, they definitely write about you. Right? So this is how it works. So if you're taking care of those 98 people, it doesn't matter. But taking care of those two people is definitely matters, because those are someone who is taking your reputation down. People experiencing good thing, they never write about it. Right? So this is one of the major job role in various company, or even any big MNCs, any big companies, they have that complete team who will be taking care of online reputation. So these four are the major jobs in the industry. So if you are working for any client, or if you are working for any company, or let's say if you're working on your business, you must be looking for all these things, right? Either you want leads, or you want to build a brand, or you want to generate revenue by getting more and more sales, or you are someone who want your organization to only going upward with some great feedback by your audience. Right, guys? So understood. Can I have a quick confirmation from each one of you in the chat box? If you understood this particular part, what all job profiles are there in the industry, what people will expect from you. So this is something which people will expect from you. So if it is understood to each one of you, just quickly write UD in the chat box. Perfect. Thanks, Moy. Thanks, Polony. Okay, Ashish. Okay, Yogita. Okay, so fine. Now you guys are aware that what are the job roles, or what are the expectation of people in the industry. But now, being a digital marketer, how will you fulfill those expectations? This is the challenge. And how you will overcome this challenge, how you will deliver those things. So let's say how you will generate the leads. Okay, what kind of noise? Because I have nothing here out there. Everyone is experiencing the same, or is it only Mohit experiencing? Can I have a quick? Okay, people are not experiencing. Mohit, I just suggest you to adjust your handphone or earphone. Might be there is some disturbance in your earphone, right? So you adjust that or came over the laptop audio. Okay, so there is fine. Customer acquisition, lead generation we are talking about. We have just understood about like what all people will expect and how to fulfill those expectations. Now the second topic is all about this. So now how you will fulfill those expectations. So when people are talking about lead generation, So guys, give me quick ideas. How will you generate lead being a digital marketer? Quick answers in the chat box. Run ads. Okay. Target right audience, right page group. Absolutely. See, this is the key thing in the industry which Subroto has shared, that whatever you do on digital marketing platform, whether you do a lead generation, brand awareness, revenue generation, online reputation management, anything you are doing, right audience, targeting right audience is something which you really need to care about. If you are approaching the right audience for your product, so right, let's suppose if I am like selling digital marketing courses, if I am approaching or I am reaching out to those people who are looking out there digital marketing related learning, that will be advantage for me. People who are looking to build their career after certain graduation 12, so they want to learn some new skills, they are the right audience for me. But let's say if I'm targeting anyone who even not looking for my product, not looking for my services, then I may just exhaust my budget. So digital marketing is a very precise department which needs to be like always care about your target audience. So if you're targeting the right audience, it will always produce you better results. But right now we are talking about the platform you guys will be using. So lead generation, for lead generation, where you will target your right audience, right? So we are talking about this. So where you will target your right audience for lead generation. Okay, so Mohit said run ads. So where you run the ads over search engine, right? So lead generation will be done through search engine marketing, right? Search engine marketing is considered as a Google and FB ads. Sorry, not FB, Google and Bing ads, right? So where you run the ads on Google and Bing on the search engine, it called as a search engine marketing. So you will be like running the ads over these platforms and acquiring your audience, because most of the 90% or 95% plus audience is searching on the Google. So you will be definitely targeting that. Also, there are 5% of audiences on the Bing or other search engines as well. So you'll be targeting them through email marketing, ads, or SEO, Instagram, right? So one of the ways, search engine marketing. So let me just quickly show you guys. Let's say I'm searching for weight loss pill. While I'm searching for weight loss pills, what I'll see here, that these companies, they are selling the product, but it is written as a sponsored. So this is ad, right? Similar way, you will see this company is also running the ads on this. So the all the people who want to lose their weight with some pills, they are targeting all those people, right? So if I am someone who is selling the weight loss pill, I may also use a similar keyword to target my audience, and I'll reach out to them because all the people searching for this are my targeted audience. So I'm reaching those people with the help of Google, and specifically Google ads, which are these sponsored results, right? So these sponsored results are comes under this search engine marketing, Google ads. Apart from this, you will also, like, I believe, surprised to see that apart from this, there will be other results also. These one where sponsored is not written, that doesn't mean these are like useless, because if people are visiting this, people must be visiting these links also, because these are also coming in front of me while I'm searching for weight loss pills. And let me show you the power of these results. When you, there is an extension called Uber Suggest. So this extension helped me to understand how much traffic these websites are getting. So if you'll see, this website is not running ads on Google, still they are getting 1,48,000 visitor on their website, right? If they have to run ads and get this much audience, then they have to spend a huge amount. You know why? Because anyone searching on weight loss pill, if I'm running my ads on this keyword, then anybody is visiting my website, Google will charge me 13 rupee 33 paisa. So that means if 1,48,000 people are visiting my website through ads, that means I'll be spending about 19 lakh 72,000 rupee as a marketing budget on my Google ads. So if I want to save this much of marketing budget, if I want to save this much of amount exhausted in marketing or running ads, right? So what I can do, I can use search engine optimization. It is called as a SEO, right? SEO is another effective way which can help you to produce very good results, and that can help you to save your marketing budget also, right? As you guys can see in front of you, I have just shown you that if I have to run ads for the same thing, I have to spend 20 lakhs rupees. But if I'm doing a good SEO strategy, I can rank on the first page of Google and can generate 1,50,000 visitor on my website without spending any amount. It is inefficient. Is it, sir? You see other product also? No, it is not like this. It is efficient. As I can show you that yes, you will be. You're talking about this one, right? SEO or Google Ads. Which one?
So, can I clarify my doubt?
Yeah, yeah. Please just share with me quickly.
So, as you like, you just searched in the search box like weight loss pills.
Right.
So, weight loss pills, you are seeing certain number of ads, like two, three, four, five ads you are seeing.
See,
Okay.
let's say I'm again doing this. Yeah, you
Uh,
can see this one.
yeah. Yeah. So
Right.
there are so many options to a customer, and I want my product to be sold only, right?
Right.
So h- how in this in this junkyard, how my product is visible to the customer?
Okay. So see, if I talk about, it is not, first of all, it is not a junkyard, right? It is something which
No,
is very
I meant to say like there are so many options, right? So how
okay.
as a customer I will find the right product is
let me
listed here.
just let me just help you
Yes,
out
sir.
with it. See,
Yes,
it
sir.
completely depend upon what you are selling. It completely depends upon what kind of, like, offerings you are giving, right?
Hmm.
Nobody is that kind of person. Like, let's say if I'm searching for, let's suppose I'm again going on this, right? If I'm searching for this product, let's say,
Hmm. Right.
just give me a moment. Okay, so now I am getting two websites here, right?
Yes.
Might be
Yes.
sometime I'll get more website also, right? But if I'll say this is the impressions I am getting, I won't be getting charged by the Google for just showing my ad for impression,
Okay.
right? For this particular page, I am not getting charged by Google anything. So what do you say? If I am running the ads, if I my getting ads is getting placed here, let's forget about anyone clicked on this yet or not. But right now, people are aware about my name. People are aware about Gyano Veda. People are aware about Devik Moringa, right?
o-
People are
Okay.
aware about these two companies now that they sell weight loss pill. Now, as a customer, is my choice which one to click,
Okay.
right? As a
Okay.
customer, my choice
Yes.
is to click any of them. When I click on these ads, then I'll be charged by Google. Unless I am not clicking this, I won't be charged anything by Google. So first thing, running ads is giving you more visibility. And
Visible.
and let's say if I'm putting weight loss pills, I'm not getting even my ad. You are someone who is selling weight loss pills, but you are not running ad. So do you know anyone who is searching for this able to see your name
Uh,
here?
exactly, sir. No,
So
no
you
way.
are killing your
That
all the chances to get even a single customer, right? But if you I'm running this, it is a probability. Now 50% probability that people will click on this, and 50% probability people will click on this. And let me tell you one more thing. People are very smart in today's time. They just don't see the ads, click on this and buy this. They will see this, they will see this also. They will see maybe two, three product more here as well. And then whosoever is offering the exact match of their requirement, they buy that, right? So let's
okay.
suppose if I am clicking five ads there and all the ads are offering the different things, all they are offering the same things, or maybe slightly different in their product or slight different in their brand or company, right? But I'll choose someone which is more precise or more, like you can say, is very much matching to my requirement, right? So this is how people buy.
Yeah.
When you buy the mobile phone, you will buy the same way, right? You find out the
Right.
two, three
Understood, sir.
different phones and which suits your profile or match your requirement maximum, you will buy that mobile phone, right? So it is an opportunity. So always see it as an opportunity that yes, if someone is searching on weight loss pill and if you are running the ads, then there is a probability that you will be getting that customer. But yes, the probability is also that other people are also getting the customer, right? So you are not losing anything. You are only gaining the customers, right? If someone is searching for your name and coming on your website, then ultimately you are the winner. Okay, so it is clear to each one of you guys? Quick yes or no? So it is always the opportunity, see it as an opportunity. So lead generation will be done through these platform. Then moreover, people are also running the ads over the Instagram, right? So we call it like all the social media platform comes under social media marketing, right? So in this, people cover FB, Insta, your LinkedIn, right? So all those social media platform through where people can reach out to you and can definitely you will acquire them as a lead or acquire them as a customer. So people use all these platform to acquire customers, right? Someone said email marketing. So do you think you acquire customer using email marketing? Yes or no? Quick yes or no? Okay. Yogita said yes. Yes, Mohit said. Okay, but I would say no. Run our demo class because of evening time. It's my business time. So it is only for 1 hour, right? So half an hour is already done, half an hour remaining, right? On Instagram, I have my own clothing brand. Yes, you will be learning that in the session. So I'll be just covering right now the ideology or the concept. So how many hours run? Okay. So see, I was talking about the email marketing related thing. So see, you can do the email marketing only when you acquire the leads. So let's say if I am running the ads, if I am running my like doing good SEO, if I am running my social media ads and everything, and someone came on my website and then that person given me my email ID, then my email marketing starts, right? So unless I don't acquire the email ID, unless I don't acquire a customer, I cannot do email marketing. So for doing email marketing, I need emails of my like visitors. So once they fill up the email on my platform, then I can do the email marketing, right? So email marketing is not used for acquiring customer. Yes, email marketing used for nurture those customers. But for acquiring, how they come to you and given your email, right? So this is the question. So email marketing is not an acquisition platform. Okay, so now next part is brand visibility and brand awareness. So when I talk about brand, guys, I'm just saying one word, brand. What first thing came into your mind? Can you just tell me in the chat box when I say brand, what is the first thing came into your mind? Apple. Okay.
Sir, a product which becomes a standard, like if for soft frames, if I want to
You
imagine,
just you
I
just
will be
write in the
think of.
chat box. In short, you just write in the chat box because we have a limited time in the session,
Okay, sure, sir. Sure.
right? So VIP product. Okay. Guys, quickly guess so that we can move forward immediately. Okay, let me tell you. So when I say brand, yes. So when I say brand, then most of the people getting the name of Apple, VIP, or you are getting like Coca-Cola, or you will be getting like let's say your Nike, Adidas, right? And when these things came into your mind, trust me, you also visualize their logo, how the Apple logo is, how the Adidas logo is, right, Priyam? So why it is happening? Because people, when they talk about brand visibility, they more and more target to visualize people about their company, their name, their brand logo, and all those things. So that brand recall will be for better tenure, right? Because I believe each one of you is aware that Virtual memory or visual memory is the longest memory you can hold. Whatever you see, you can remember those things for a longer period in comparison of what you read or what you hear, right? Or what you listen. So whatever you see, that will be more remembered to you. So that's why brand is try to recall themselves with their logo and with their name again and again over the different platform. And how they able to do it? With the help of images and videos. So most of the time brand awareness campaign ran or people run through images and video. So what are the platform they do it? They do it in search engine marketing like Google Ads. In Google Ads, there is a special type of ads which called as a display ads. This is something where you can show your image and videos, right? Similar way over the FB and Instagram, right? So your social media, all the social media show the images and video, right? So you can do social media marketing for brand awareness, and you can do Google display ads for the brand awareness, and you can do email marketing. So let's say once you have emails of thousands of people with you, so you want to tell them about your achievements, you want to tell them your media presence, all those things which you're offering. And yes, people will relate, able to relate with your brand. They'll be able to see what your good things you're doing in the industry, how people are approaching you, and what is your approach toward the industry, and they consider you brand, right? If you're sharing them about your achievement to each one of like the subscriber of your website, then definitely they understood about you more and more, they understood about your achievements more and more, and then they know about you. When they know about your achievement, definitely they will have a that kind of angle with you, or that kind of angle for your brand, right? So if I'll show you, see, let's say if I'm just opening a website quickly, Times of India, and whenever you open this website, you scrolling this, you will see this ad, right? So this is a something by the brand Canon. Canon is trying to show their name again and again here. Maruti Suzuki is showing their name here, right? So their logo is here, right? So what they are doing, they just try to run the display ad, and these ads are called as a display ads, right? So most of the time you will see the people focusing on their logo, their name when they run the brand ads or brand awareness campaigns, right? Now next is revenue generation. As I just shared with you initially, that most of the time for revenue generation, people do the ads over Instagram, right? Or your FB. Apart from this, you will also see these type of ads when I search for weight loss pill, right? So what these companies are doing, these companies are trying to sell their product, because they are not telling me about what they are, who they are. They're just telling me fat burner Ayurvedic tablet, one bottle, 900 rupees, 5-star review. They just try to sell them by showing their features, by showing their worth. If I click this company's name, then you will see three bottles 1800, one bottle 900, two bottles 1500. So more and more what they are doing, the big names, CNBC, Forbes, ET, 312 plus reviews, 4.7 stars. So what they are doing, they just try to sell me by showing me the required information to sell the product. That's it. Their core focus is that to click buy it now. Why? Because you can see their major attention on this page is buy it now only, right? So they just try to sell me their product, and their more core focus is that people click on the ads and they buy the product. That's it. So this is how it works. So you will be able to like go ahead and do your like revenue generation campaigns with the help of Google Ads, but this type of Google ad, it considered as shopping ads. So Google has 8 type of different ads, and those ads are different, right? Some display ads, search ads, shopping ads, all these things. You just costed them 13 rupee by clicking on it. Yes, absolutely, Mohit. But I believe I need to show you guys. So their 13 rupee helped you to learn something. So now, if I talk about, and also is sorry, email marketing. Email marketing we can consider here. How? Let me tell you. See, if you are buying something from Amazon, for an example, you bought a printer from Amazon. So what Amazon will do after a month, when a month is completed, they send you an email by cartridge for your printer, because they have your email, so they can send you the different kind of promotion, different kind of the add-on products. They can send you the information of them, that you can buy from there, right? So they just try to generate revenue from yours, like database, by sending you the required material or required communication. So if you bought something from Amazon, let's say any other thing, or if they feel that yes, this product can be go with this particular thing, so they can send you the suggestions of those product over your email, and might be those are required because anyone buying the printer, cartridge, A4 sheets, all these things are required by the person. So if I'm getting something in my mailbox that yes, buy a A4 sheet, and if I need this, I definitely click on this and buy those A4 sheets that delivered to me in whatever the time period they ask. So now the next part is online reputation management. Online reputation management is again one of the effective area which can be done using, most of the time is social media, right? And apart from social media, there are some review sites, right? So these are the two major aspects that people look forward for reputation management, and they take care reputation of the brand in those platforms, right? So I hope it is clear to each one of you what are the expected result people expect from you and how you able to deliver. If someone is looking for a lead generation from you as a digital marketer, you can help them by doing all these things. You can help them by doing all these things for brand visibility. You can help them for revenue generation by doing all these things, and you can help them for social reputation management by doing all these things, right? So it is understood to each one of you clearly. Can I have a quick yes or no? Perfect. See, review sites are there, various review sites. When you like, suppose if I'm going for a, let's say, buy a mobile phone under 12,000, right? So these are the sites. So let's see, is with 91 mobile. If I'm clicking on this website, so these are reviewing this, the performance, display, camera, like battery or this, right? And there are, apart from this, there are various other organization in the industry, like people like review themselves on various other companies, like you can see review sites, you can write it down here, like, so there are various, like your trust pilot, you will have a trust summary, then you will have a, like, apart from this, like Quora is one of them, right? So all these websites are something which people use to take care for their reputation, and there are various, right? If you are like available on all of them, then you definitely can help your people to go ahead and deliver better in the industry. Okay, so now moving forward, we just learned what we need to achieve and what how we will achieve those things, but it's all after become a digital marketer. But before this, we need to understand how we become that effective digital marketer who can do all these things, right? So there will be a right structure to do this, which I'll be just sharing with you guys. This is the structure. So first step, we'll be covering insightful learning. Second step is live practice. Then is portfolio building. Then job and freelancing opportunity. And at the end is upskilling. So let me just quickly help you guys to understand what it is. So insightful learning means we're not just teaching you how to do it. Let's suppose you need to learn Google Ads. So I am not just teaching you what is, let's see, how to run Google Ads. But despite, along with this, I'll be teaching you what is Google Ad, how it works, how Google provide ranking to their ad system. So first you will be getting insights about the Google platform. You will be getting understanding of Google platform, the ecosystem of Google platform, and then you will be learning to running ads. So in this way, what is happening? In this way, you are not just learning it like a robot or a template based learning, right? So let's say today you are working for a restaurant, you will be creating a campaign for a restaurant, you do the same steps. But let's say when you do it for a shoes company, which is Adidas, or let's suppose Nike. So those companies require a different type of ads. Those companies require a different method of implementation, different things to be covered in their ads, right? You cannot just go ahead and do the simply similar kind of ad which you were doing for the restaurant, right? But if you learn only how to do it, if you just learn how to run ads, then you will do the same things for every business. But if you understood like how platform referring to different like categories, how the platform is helping your ads to like visualize or like visible on their platform. Similar way, SEO, how Google give rankings in the SEO, what kind of things are required in these particular industry, right? So if you're aware about the platform more and more, you will be able to run better and better ads. So this is why we will be helping you to insightful learning, because once you are aware about platform, once you know the insights of platform, you can create better strategies on those platform based on the product, based on the services, and the customized experience will be better for your product and services, right? So once you learn all these things, you will be doing the practices of all those things. So let me just quickly show you how it works. So this is the program Master Digital Marketing course, where we teach you 5 months. In first 3 months, you will be getting this insightful learning, right? In insightful learning, along with the life practices. So all the, like you can say, topic you can see here: digital marketing, WordPress development, SEO, Google ads, email marketing, social media strategies, online reputation management, content writing, graphic designing, marketing automation, YouTube marketing, affiliate marketing. All these things you will be going to learn in this. And the best part, you not be just learning it by watching a video, you will be learning it with hands-on assignments. So every class has certain assignment. For web development, you will be creating a website. For social media, you will be creating a social media strategies. For micro video marketing, you will be doing some 10 hours of assignment, then affiliate marketing, email. For each particular aspects, you will be working practically and producing the real-time result. And the best part, you will be doing this all on your website. So first you will create your own website like www.subrotosengupta.com. So when I do the practical, unless there is a real product, how will my marketing is working? So see, learning a platform is a different thing, and doing it for someone is a different thing, right? But unless you are not aware about how to work on those platform, you'll not be able to deliver it anything in the real time, right? So what we are doing, the answer for your thing is, the day one when you start your classes, we first help you to create a website of yours. You will be creating own website, subratosengupta.com, let's say. And on that particular website, you will be working throughout your 3 months, where you will be applying your SEO, Google ads, social media, all the things. So you, while you will be applying this, you will be applying this to identify whether you know to learn or no, or what kind of practices you need to run the ads in real time, right? I know, I understand you don't have a product, you don't have a service to run the ads, but this is how you learn. You will learn by running it on your website, and once you ran it, once you get the confidence that yes, I can run the ads, then definitely you can go to any organization and ask them, yes, I'll be working for you. I can already have experience of running the ads. I have done created this kind of campaigns for myself. You can review these campaigns. I have, you can give a complete explanation about what you have created, right? I have chosen these things, these options for the better brand visibility. I have created this kind of video, I have created this kind of creative for my ads, because it is more relevant, it can get you the more clicks on your advertisement. So if you can just elaborate about your project, what you have done, people can understand, yes, you have a knowledge, you have a practical knowledge. I can learn by myself. I'm looking in institute if I'm skills, if I generate some real time value. So Subroto, you will be learning it in real time only. My whole purpose to telling you that you will be running a real website and you will be doing SEO in real time. You will be doing Google ads in real time. Everything will be done in real time. You will create a real ads. You
Sir,
will
I
create.
hope it's okay if I talk to you in this mic because
I have a very less time, 5 minutes left. I have to cover like two, three things in that. So I believe I can connect you over the call after this session if you want to ask
sure,
more
sir.
queries, right? But yes, you will be learning everything live. That is something which I am sharing
Sir,
with you.
see, sir, see, like as far as learning is concerned, like these are very, skills. Like in digital marketing, everybody can do this, right?
No, everybody cannot do digital marketer. If yes, then everybody is ranking above than I am skills on the Google, but they are not ranking. Only I
That's
am
my
skills is
exact point,
ranking.
right? Like everybody's only via learning, everybody cannot. If I finish the course with I am skills,
Hmm.
I'm still any, a non-valued employee. Like unless the institute teaches me some real value, like how I'm generating with those principles and practices, I'm creating some real-time value for a company. Then
Right?
I can expect for myself, right? That
Are you
I
working or
will.
no? Are you working right now?
No, sir, I'm not working right now.
Okay, you are doing education.
Yeah, I've graduated last year.
You graduated last year. You taken the
Yes, I have
admission.
done few internships. I have done few internships in real estate sales.
Right. So you have taken the admission in your college,
Right.
right? So when you taken the admission in college, did they like first experienced you like how you are getting understanding the things, how you are learning the
See,
things, then they
see, sir, that's a compulsion for every student. Otherwise, recruiters won't hire. See, as far as skills and learning is concerned, in my college, except
see you're
few
not
courses,
understanding the small part. That small part is you will get the job based on your skills, right?
right, exactly.
And your skills won't be judged by if you have like doing it for real product or not. Your skills will be judged if you have done or experienced actual learning or not, if you have the good idea about the things or not.
Sir,
So let's
if
say,
I'm a no, no, sir.
coming on the part, if I am saying, if I'll give you a 500 rupee budget, you run the ad for some product, right? You ran the ad for that product, will it give
Right.
you the job in the industry whether you run good ads or not?
No,
It
it
won't.
won't.
And let me tell you, and if I'm telling you all the major things how to run ads, if I am also helping you to set up your live ads in the, like let's suppose throughout the training program,
Live
and
ads
then
with what?
I'm coming on that, but let me complete first. So if you will be learning all things live to run live Google ads, live Facebook ads, how to run them, how to optimize them, how to produce it for better results. If I am giving you a pitch that yes, I can create this kind of ads, I have created this kind of ad during my training, this kind of creative I used for my ad, which is in created for the maximum click intent, right? I have
Right.
created, you are helping to understand the interviewer that yes, this ad creative has that kind of values, what my target audience, I have created this kind of audience for my ads. And this kind of audience, why I'm selected, let's suppose real estate, I am pitching a real estate interview and I am telling the people who is sitting like opposite to me taking my interview, if I'm telling that person, I have created this real estate related ad campaign. In this ad campaign I have target the audience between 30 age to 50 age, because at that time they are more energy, they are earning good amount, and they have like some sense of investment also, they want to invest. So if I'm targeting 30 to 50 audience, that's why I selected them. I selected the nearby high cities who want to invest, because the people working in high city, they have great packages, they have great salaries, so that they can invest. I have created this creative which is showing the buildings, which is showing the like offerings of my society where I'm selling the flat. So if I am telling all this conversation, meaningful conversation with some practical thing in my hand, if I am doing with the interviewer, I don't think any interviewer can deny you for hiring, because you have an explanation of each thing what you are doing or what you have created in the ad campaign.
Exactly. That's what I want from the institute. Like apart from the learning, as you said, like you will be helping with me in practical, right? Like how will I
Yes,
implement
you
these
will be
things in
learning to create a practical campaign. It is not just I am telling you create a campaign and then you will be like doing it on your own. So what is the point of getting learn by us if you have to do it yourself,
okay,
right?
sir.
So I believe it is important to each one of you to understand this practical implementation part and then how to pitch to the industry when you like going for a job or something, right? So I believe, sure, Mohit, we are moving forward, but addressing this query is required for each one of you. Okay, so first 3 months you will be doing the learning and you will be doing the live practices. As I said, you will be working on the projects, you creating your own website, you will be creating your own social media presence, working on them and producing the real-time results also. But learning and practices is not enough. You have to show portfolio as well. So again, Subroto, your answer will be there also. So in portfolio building, what we do, we help our each student to go through with a 2 month of paid internship. That paid internship is flexible hours. You can do it from your home without visiting anywhere, and that you also can do like in evening hours or on your holidays. So you not have to leave your job, you not have to leave your colleges or something. You can do it along with them. So in 2 months of paid internship, you will be working for various different brands. There will be 6 to 8 projects you will be doing, and these 6 to 8 projects will be helping you to build a portfolio. So let's say while you working, let's suppose you have run the SEO related internship. In SEO related project, during your internship, let's say you have to write an article which will be targeting a particular keyword. So let's say you written that article and that will be published on some XYZ website. And that XYZ website article is getting ranked on the Google, let's say on the first page or second page. We have many students, their articles are ranking on the Google first page. They have written that in their internship and that is ranking on first page. So what happens, I can mention that in my portfolio that I have written the article for this keyword and on this website. So if I'll search on this keyword on the Google, I'll found that article. When I click on that, I can see the author name is Subroto Sen Gupta. So my skills are getting verified immediately by the employer. I can show them that yes, this is article written by me. It is ranking on Google. I have written that during my internship. And I can mention all those projects, 6 to 8 projects in my portfolio when I am going for a job. So when you go for either a job or you go for either a like freelancing client, in both ways it works because people want to see what like practical experience you have, right? So this way that 2 month internship will help you to build a great portfolio which can help you to show your practical result in the industry. Moving forward, job and freelancing opportunity that will be available here. We have our own job portal which can help you to go ahead and apply for the various jobs available in digital marketing department. You directly can apply from these companies, right? Or we have our 350 plus placement partners who help you to get a job in the industry. Moving next, guys, there will be upskilling option. Upskilling option is definitely something is required in digital marketing domain. Why? Because digital marketing is the industry which keeps on changing. In every 6 months, in every 1 year, you will found a new platform. So if I simply write on Google, how many times Google changed their algorithm every year. So Google changed 500 to 600 times their algorithm every year. But there are two, three are major. So most of those changes are small, do not drastically impact, while major update like bird or can impact a significant percentage of. So most of them 500 to 600 times they change their algorithm. Algorithm means how they are showing the ranking in Google. So the result don't impact on that. But there are two, three algorithm which majorly impact the result. So if you are not updating yourself with all the things which is impacting the result, you may not able to retain your result in the industry. So to always retain your results, you have to learn all the latest things. So we are giving you a lifetime access. So today in 2023, you have done this course. In 2025, in 2030, in 2035, in future, whenever there is new things available, you can log in and can check out all the latest session. For an example, in 2015 we started. In 2015 Instagram was not that much required, but right now it is the demand of the industry. So we have added in the course and now you people are learning, but the previous people who learned the course in 2015, they still can learn by logging into their account. Similar way, AI related thing we have added 2023. So people who have not learned it previously, they can log in their account and can request for the AI related sessions also, and they will get the access for the same. So all these things are there. All these tools are going to be covered during your practical implementation when you will be learning the course. So you will be working on all these projects, all these options to understand it better or to apply it practically, right? So this is why upskilling is required. So what do you think? Learning, practicing, and portfolio building. This can help you to get a job. And then upskilling can help you to stay in the industry for a longer period with a required growth. So if you're not updating yourself regularly, you won't get that kind of growth you are expecting. So upskilling is also necessary, which we are helping with our students. So now coming to the other part, which is the AI related program that we have launched. So if I quickly show you guys that this is the industry's only AI based digital marketing course, which is helping you to learn 4 weeks of live training. And in that, we will be giving you website creation using AI, chat GPT for market research. You will be building AI based YouTube channel, WhatsApp automation, predictive analysis, Canva mastery, Tably marketing automation. So all these tools are going to help you in a very different way. So let's say today you are aiming, the organization is aiming that we have to create 30 social media posts in 30 days. So they are giving every day you will be putting your half an hour, 1 hour or 2 hours time to create a post. But what if I'll say the whole 30-day post you can create with a single click with the help of AI tools, and you don't need to sit every day for 2 hours to create a post. Similar way, you can do a use ChatGPT for the market research for doing your better marketing related activity. So all those things will be covered in this, which can save a lot of time of a business, or you become a better or effective digital marketer in comparison with others. What other people are achieving in 2 months, you are or you will be able to achieve those things in 15-20 days. Right, so you can just multiply your growth, you can multiply the organization growth, you can multiply the company related growth. Right, so ultimately it is something which boosts your work environment and help you to apply digital marketing with AI enabled technologies. Right, so this is something is really impressive. 1 month of training it is, and it is cost 24,000 plus GST, about 30,000 rupees. This 5 month course is separate, where you will learn 3 months of training, 2 months of paid internship, which will cost you about 29,000 plus GST, which is going to be about 35,282 rupees, right? So total will be 35,282 rupees. So if I'm showing you here on the slide, now I'm just helping you to get a surprise here. And the surprise is digital marketing master course worth rupee 35,000. AI based course is costing 29. If you add both of them, it will be somewhere around 65,000. 2 months of paid internship, you will be getting paid by us. You will be getting 6,000 at the end of the course. Apart from this, if you enroll today, you not have to pay the complete fee for the AI course. You just have to pay 9,900 for the AI course, and for the digital marketing course 35,000 rupees. Both will be available at a price of 45,000 all inclusive. You not have to pay anything extra on this. So your AI course plus your digital course, which worth rupees 65,000, you will be getting at 45,000 rupees by enrolling today. Yes, AI also covered in digital marketing 5 month. No, it is not. 3 month of training, 2 month of paid internship for digital marketing course. Then AI course is separately for 1 month. So total will be 3 plus 1, 4 months, and then 2 month of internship, 6 months. Can I pay 45182 in installment like monthly? You have the installment option where you can use the credit card EMIs, or you also can use the Bajaj Finance related installments. Right. So my team can guide you about that, how you can avail those things. But right now, I just want to get understanding from you. We have two batches. One is weekday, where your classes will be on every Tuesday and Thursday, and timing will be 8 to 9:30 p.m. in evening. Other batch we have is Saturday, right? Where your classes will be on every Saturday, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Right? So you can choose any of the batch out of this. Can I have a quick reply from each one of you, which particular batch you want to start with, or which particular batch you want to join, weekday or Saturday? Subrodo, the mode of the training will be live online classes. All the classes remain live over the Zoom platform, right? So weekday or Saturday? Quickly reply in the chat box, either weekday or Saturday. Saturday are morning classes 10 to 1. Weekdays, evening classes after office hours, Tuesday and Thursday. Weekday batch, we will be starting from 5th of December. Saturday batch will be starting from 2nd of December. What's the deadline? If I talk about deadline, if you enroll today, then only I can help you with all this offer which I have given you. Otherwise, you can enroll at any time, but yes, you have to pay a separate fee for AI course. Total is going to be around 65,000. 2 months of paid internship will be giving you 6,000 back in your account also. So right now you are paying 45,000 and 6,000 you will be getting back in your account after your 6 months. Like after 4 months of training and 2 months of internship, you're getting 6,000 back in your account. Will we get recording of the classes? Yes, this is the best part. Every class will be recorded. So by any chance, if you miss any class, so you have two options. One, you can go through the recording of the class. And second, you can also request us to re-attend the class. So for an example, I have attended social media class 1, but in social media class 2, I'm not able to attend. So I can write an email to info that yes, recording will be available in your LMS. So for recording, you not need to do anything. But for re-attending the class, you can just write an email that yes, I missed this class. Can you please help me to put in the next batch where I can attend the second class of social media? So for the second class of social media, you will be added to the other batch. Rest all the things you will attend in your current batch, but when any other batch is happening around it, so you will get the access of that class live. Batch ratio is about 25 to 30 student in every batch. Okay, so I have reply from Mohit. He said for Saturdays, and Yogita said for Saturdays. Mohit and then Polimni said for weekdays. Can I have reply from other people as well? What particular batch they are expecting? Any afternoon class time? No, afternoon times are not there. Only 10 to 1 is there for Saturdays. And for evening, it is 8 to 9:30, right? Guys, can you please quickly reply in the chat box which particular batch you want? So I have, sorry, can I know weekday batch started from which month? From next month itself, from 5th of December. Okay. Can you reply like Ashish, Vidisha, what particular batch you want to enroll for? Samuel, if you can just share that my team can help you with the available seat in that particular batch and you can enroll for the same. Okay, so any other queries guys you have? If yes, quickly share with me in the chat box or we can like end this session. But before leaving the session, I just request each one of you to share your feedback about the session, that like did you like the sessions or not? So if yes, then share with me the thumbs up, or if I'll also go for the weekday batches. Sure, Yogita, my team can connect with you and help you to enroll. Or if you want, I can share with you the link here where you can directly enroll for the batch. Okay, I have to share a customized link for the discounted fees, right? So that will be shared by my team in next few seconds with you. Regular class is not going on. No, it is weekend classes or weekly evening classes, because digital marketing is something where you need time to practice. So if I teaching you the website designing today, I cannot take your class the next day because it won't take one day for you to like design the website. So that's why it's a weekly classes. Whatever things we are teaching, you need at least 8 to 10 hours to practice. So your next class will happen after that time availability, right? So let's say this Saturday we have taught you SEO related strategy. To work on those strategy, to practice those strategy, it will take time. You cannot do it on Saturday, then Sunday again, the Monday again, class Tuesday again. If you do it like this, then when will you practice? You don't have a time to practice. So, and this industry require practice. The more and more you practice, the more and more you will be effective. Website design will happen on which platform? It will be over the WordPress only, because most of the people are not from the coding background, or it is not even required, right? You are going to become a digital marketer. So digital marketing people expected to take care of all these things. They are not responsible for the web designing. You will be responsible for all these things in your company, in your clients, or in your own business. So you will not be responsible for the website designing. But yes, we will be teaching that so that you can have a platform to work on all these. During the training, you can practice all this, right? Perfect, guys. So looking forward to see you in the training program. So my team is going to share with you the link, or if you want, I can share with you the link right away. Just allow me a second. Okay, guys. So here is the link which can help you to go ahead and make your fee payment. And I'm going to share with you in the chat box. Sure, guys, you can join from any point of the time, but the offer which I'm sharing with you is applicable with this particular link. So you can go on this particular link, can make your fee payment for both of the courses, AI and digital marketing, and you will get at the discounted price by enrolling with the given link in the chat box. So just save this link and make your registration by today to avail both the courses at 45,000 all inclusive. Thanks, guys. Thanks for your time. You can go ahead, can complete your enrollment process meanwhile. So my team will share with you required communication for the given batches, and you can go ahead and can plan for the same, right? So thank you each one of you. Thanks for taking out your time and joining this particular session. So really appreciate all of your time, and thank you.